Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set container padding for different layout like desktop, tablet, mobile in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and then you see site settings, so click on it. So we are going to set different padding for desktop, mobile or tablet layout. So we are in site setting and then you see setting and then you see layout, so click on it. So we are in desktop format and then you see container padding and then you see message, set the default space inside the container, default is 10 px. So if you want you can add padding top, right, bottom, left according to requirement for desktop layout. Now go to tablet portrait, so click on it. Again you see container padding for tablet. Again you see top padding, right padding, bottom, left. Default is 10 px. So you can set padding according to requirement for tablet layout and then click on save changes. Now go to mobile, so click on it. Now you see container padding for mobile portrait. Default is 10 px. So you can add padding top, padding bottom and padding left for mobile layout according to requirement for Elementor and then click on save changes. So you can add padding number for different layout according to requirement and then click on save changes. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.